Getting a Credit Karma virtual card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to have a Credit Karma account, which you can create by going to the Credit Karma website or by downloading the Credit Karma app. Once you have an account, you can navigate to the Credit Karma Money section, where you will find the option to apply for a Credit Karma virtual card. To apply for the virtual card, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to verify your identity and agree to the terms and conditions of the card. After you have submitted your application, Credit Karma will review your creditworthiness and determine whether you are eligible for the virtual card. If you are approved, you will be able to access your virtual card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, within the Credit Karma app or website. You can then use your virtual card to make online purchases, pay bills, or make other transactions. The virtual card is a digital version of a traditional credit card, and it can be used anywhere that accepts major credit cards. One of the benefits of the Credit Karma virtual card is that it provides an additional layer of security for your transactions. Because the virtual card is not a physical card, it cannot be lost or stolen, and the card information is not stored on your device. This makes it a more secure option for online transactions. Another benefit of the Credit Karma virtual card is that it can help you build credit. Credit Karma reports your payment history to the credit bureaus, which can help to improve your credit score over time. This makes the virtual card a good option for people who are looking to establish or rebuild their credit. To get the most out of your Credit Karma virtual card, it is a good idea to make regular payments and keep your credit utilization ratio low. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. By following these best practices, you can use your Credit Karma virtual card to make secure and convenient transactions, while also building your credit over time. Overall, the Credit Karma virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online transactions, and it can be a useful tool for building credit. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can apply for and start using your Credit Karma virtual card today.